These skates came from Amazon. Me, the quality. I'm talking about plastic, gummy, big wheels. If you go outside in these, you're probably gonna work those ankles a lot. All right, you guys, what you all been waiting for, the unbox. So what I have here today is a Riedell 120 Black rhythm skate. Great quality skates. So I'm gonna stand up on this one, guys. All right, so this is a new edition of the 120 Riedell. The quality of the skates are more stiff. Okay, so what I mean by that is whenever it comes to the heel is not loose anymore. Okay, it's sitting still and it's got some quality to it. Also, when it comes to the plate is an aluminum plate, and this is the Reactor Neo plate, okay? So what you guys don't know is that this is an unlock to success, meaning you won't feel bogged down on your skates anymore, all right? You will be more light on your feet, and you will pick your feet up easy. Whenever it comes to a metal or a plastic plate, you don't have that much range of flexibility. With this Neo plate that we have on, this is gonna give you the success to moving around a lot more smoother, okay? When it comes to the wheels are varsity wheels. They are a 98A, which means that they can go outside and they can be indoor. What I mean by 98 is that they sit a little medium to the ground, so not too high, not too low. All right, also too, we have the bearings, which are the stock bearings. Of course, if you keep rolling over time, you wanna just make sure you lubricate the bearings, and if you don't do that, then you'll need more bearings, okay? Come see me for that. Last but not least, with the Neo plate, as you guys can see, they went ahead and upgraded big stopper to a small stopper. And the reason why is because the rod is lower to the ground, all right? So we're gonna put these babies on and we're gonna show you what type of difference it is whenever it comes to rolling in these 120 Riedell skates. Riedell's been around forever and a day. They're such a good company. Shout out to Riedell. Thank you guys for providing great skates.